Hello and welcome to my course. In this course we are going to focus on fears. Fears, as you probably noticed, are a big part of our lives, and that's why I decided to make this course in order to try to help each and every one of you guys to solve your own fears and, more importantly, to solve the fears of your friends and family. This is a healing process, a mental healing process, a process in which we recognize the fears of others or ourselves and remove them, because fears do not serve us and we shouldn't have them in the first place. Also, we will talk about it later in more detail, but in this course we will have the introduction section, and the introduction section we are going to talk about what are fears and how to heal fears or remove them in general. Now you should know that there are many fears. There are basically hundreds and hundreds of different fears. But if you go deeper and deeper and deeper into the psyche of a person and begin to remove more and more fears as you go along, usually there are several basic fears that come again and again. As you'll see, as you begin to remove more and more fears throughout your life, when you do this same process to your own fears, as well as the fears of your friends and family. And also strangers. Do it to everybody. It's a huge service you do to others and to the universe in general. Just do it. Remove all fears from everybody. It's amazing and it's really fun. I do it all the time. I do it basically every day. I can talk to some stranger on the street and just through casual conversation notice a fear. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but usually I do. And when it happens, it's so easy to remove it, and you do a huge service to everyone that's around you. Alright, so again, in this course we are going to talk about what fears are and how to remove them, and then later in the second section I'm going to talk about the 10 most common fears, according at least to Google keyword search, and I'll say the fears right now, but you can also see them in the course curriculum, and that's it. That's the course. Alright, you can see these fears just as examples because there are many other fears, but just to give you a taste of how you can remove fears from other people. Alright, so the fears in the fears section are the fear of flying, the fear of public speaking, the fear of heights, the fear of the dark, the fear of intimacy, the fear of death, the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, the fear of spiders, and the fear of commitment. Alright guys, so these are the 10 most common fears, and as you go along through the course, you will see how we can heal each and every one of them, and it's gonna be so easy, you just wait and see.